Hello, thanks for buying my project. Now I show you how to use it. So when you unzip the file, go here, wedding trailer, and please read this carefully because this is about license. My project you can get only from videohive.net or Envato Elements. If you have it from other source, it means it is illegal. Okay, here is the font link. Please download it and install it if you don't want to have any errors while opening the project. Audio link I have used in video preview are from Audio Jungle, so click here if you like it. Video I have used in video preview is from Vimeo, and the license allow me to use it in preview. Here you can contact me. Here, if you click here, you can see my other projects, and of course here you can rate my project, and this is very important for me, so please go here, find my project, give me some stars and write a few words about it. Okay, so double click, and like you see, no errors, everything is working. Go here, and like you see here, the structure is modular, so if you want to change something, go here, sequence number 1, and here is the text, or here text 1. And if you change it, it will automatically change the sequence here. Bam. You can change, of course, font. Here it is. Maybe something more. Okay, here it is. And if you want to change gold, go here, text comp 1, reflection, effect controls, and here you have some controls about this, like you see, effect. I like this one, so leave it. Go here, sequence number 1, go with full, and check that the floor is in the right position. If doesn't, simply change it here, and here it is. Sequence number 2 is for the text, sequence number 3 the same, sequence number 4 is for the media. So if you have your media, simply place them here as on keyboard to scale. If you want to use color correction, go here. If you don't want to use it, go here. Let's check it out. Yes, here it is. So everything is working. Do the rest of the placeholders here. Sequence number 6, sequence number 7. Sequence number 6 is for media, sequence number 4 is for text. So simply go here, text 5, text comp 5 here, and simply change it. W in the keyboard, and here are the animation keyframes. If you want to be faster, go here. If you want to be longer, go here. And when you are ready and you want to render your project, here we have the floor too much. Up, so go here, and now it is looking cooler. And when you're done, render full composition, add to render queue, because I prefer first rendering to QuickTime. Codec, Apple ProRes 42, bam, video output, audio output. Okay, click here to change name and choose folder destination, and click here to render. And when you have your move file, then simply go with Adobe Media Encoder to encode to MP4 or other codecs, of course, if you want. So one more time, if you have any issues, go here and contact me, of course, if you are from videohype.net, because Envato Elements don't have support from authors. And please don't forget to rate my project here. One more time, thanks for buying and bye bye.